Hello everyone, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to show you the first room that I made over in my new house. This is the room right here. This is actually going to be a two-part video because I did not finish everything I want to do. First thing I did was I have the floors replaced, and I absolutely love the new floors. I had the floors replaced throughout the entire first floor, so you'll get to see more of that in the future. But right now, let me show you what I did in this room. This is a formal living room slash wine room. Okay, so I have put all the furniture in here, and I'm going to show you how I decorate this whole room, tell you where everything came from, and take you through the process. And I'm going to tell you what's going to be done next on the next video. At the end, I'm going to show you something that I got from HOMEGOODS that I'm actually going to put in this room. So the accent color in here is a royal blue, so I will be putting some blue glasses in here, and those glasses are actually from the Dollar Tree. I've had those glasses for a really long time, and I've always loved them. So I'm going to show you how I decorate these shelves. Then I'm going to go to the sofa and then kind of go around the room. So these are some wine racks that I got from HOMEGOODS, and I love that shape of them. And I'm just going to lay my wines right into the wine rack. And I believe these were $14.99 from HOMEGOODS, and I like it because it's a different shape. And I'm going to put some more beautiful glasses in here so that when I have some ladies over, you know, we'll have everything we need in here. I also have a bar cart on the other side of the room, but that would be more for, like, you know, cocktails, like the liquors and things like that, which I don't really drink a lot of liquor. I'm more of a wine person, but you know, if my guests want something, I will make sure to have the staples, like, you know, maybe vodka, rum, and tequila, and then have something that I can mix it with. And I'm putting some of my favorite books over here. A lot of interior design books that I love looking through, and actually my guests like looking through also, because I guess people wouldn't typically buy those kind of books. And so when they come over here and they look at it like, okay, well, I got some ideas from those books. But guys, if you're not already subscribed and you are trying to turn your house into a home, or you're just looking for decorating ideas and inspiration, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you don't miss out, because that's what this channel is all about. So I'm going to go over here to this other bookshelf, and the bookshelves are actually from Walmart.com, and I got these a while ago, and I'll definitely put the link to that because I know that they are still available on their website. The settee, or the love seat, is from Pier 1, and the two armchairs that I'm going to show you in a minute are from Wayfair.com. This beautiful shaker is from Ross actually, and I think it was only like $5.99. So I got some great deals here. These are all Lenox wine glasses, and believe it or not, they're very high quality, and I actually got them from Burlington a while ago. They had a spell where they just had a ton of Lenox glasses in there. And these glasses here are from HOMEGOODS, these martini glasses. Okay, while I continue to do this, I do have a question for you. I found a website called The Chic Home, and they have some of the most beautiful bar stools, beds, and furniture, but I don't know if it's legit. If you're familiar with the chichomestore.com, let me know in the comments if you've ever ordered anything from them or you have any experience with them. Because you know, these days we got to be careful about ordering things online, but let me know because they do have some beautiful, beautiful items. Now I'm gonna decorate the coffee table, and it is a round gold coffee table, which I absolutely love because it does complement the shape of the room and the fact that I have 3 chairs in here. This is a book right here that I got from Amazon, and it was basically a birthday gift to myself because I've always wanted one of these, and I absolutely love it. Coffee table books are always a good idea because it just breaks up all of the decor and it gives your guests something interesting to look at. So I always use coffee table books. These coasters, I love them. They are from HOMEGOODS. They are like a stone and they're in that same blue color. So I absolutely jumped on that as soon as I saw them. And I've had that probably for about 2 months. And these 2 gold candles, I'm just going to put one over here. And because I don't want to clutter that small table, because I want someone to have a place to put their drink down. And I'm also going to put out like some nuts and stuff like that. So I want to make sure I have space. Now I'm going to turn these chairs kind of on an angle, because I think it's going to give more of a cozy look and a more inviting look. And I'm going with these blue velvet pillows, and all the pillows are from Tuesday Morning. Yeah, I got these pillows from Tuesday Morning. So over here, it's very hard to show you these curtains, but this is what it looks like. I really love it. It's sort of like gold and silver and kind of like a cream color all together. And these are from HOMEGOODS, and they are 108 inches long. They go all the way up to the ceiling. So guys, this is the finished look, but I'm going to show you, kind of give you a preview of what's going to be in the next video, because I'm going to paint that wall where the bookshelves are. I plan on painting that wall. I plan on changing the light fixture, and I'm going to show you something that I got from HOMEGOODS that I'm actually going to incorporate as well. So guys, if you have any questions about anything that you've seen in the video, let me know in the comments. There is the bar cart over there, and I'm going to stock that, like I was saying, with liquor. I wouldn't say stock it, but I'm going to have like the staples over there for when I have guests over who actually drink liquor. And over there, that lamp is from HOMEGOODS as well, that you just saw a second ago. And I'm super excited about having a couple of people over to kind of see how this functions as a wine room. So I'll have to let you know how that goes when I finally do that. Okay, this is the wall art that I found at HOMEGOODS, and I am going to place this where I have the champagne on the wall, and the champagne is going to go above the bar cart on the other side of the room. But I will show you that in the next video. I'm also going to be changing out this light fixture, so stay tuned for that. And I'm going to make that an accent wall right there. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.